It's raining discounts, of course, in markets, but the other question is how prepared are industry bodies for the GST rollout at midnight, starting the 1st of July. Of course, GST is the new tax structure that's going to come into force. There is a cloud of uncertainty surrounding the most crucial aspect of this tax regime, the GST software network. Even as the government asserts that the network is ready, many, including industry bodies like ASSOCHAM and even some GST Suvidha providers, have warned otherwise. The stage is set for the rollout of the goods and services tax. But the software that taxpayers will use for filing their returns isn't quite ready yet. And this has raised serious concerns for GST Suvidha providers, since there has been no trial runs conducted with the revised software. It is for this reason that Industry Chamber ASSOCHAM has urged the government to delay the implementation of GST, saying the IT backend for a new tax regime isn't quite ready.
Many of the small traders and the business people are not IT savvy, and they don't know the GST law. They are not fully aware that what will be the implications of A law or a B law, and that was the reason that we had suggested. But certainly, you know that if the IT system is not in place, the people are finding it difficult, but the government has stated that they will give another 2 months' time to the people to be preparing themselves.
GST Suvidha provider companies are gearing up to deal with these challenges. Spice Digital is one such service provider. This provider has set up a call center with 1,40,000 agents across India to facilitate tax filing. Another GST Suvidha provider, Velocis Systems, believes the biggest challenge is to ensure businesses are ready for a new tax regime with appropriate tax computation and GST compliant data analysis.
What one may face initially as a challenge is, since things are online and are time bound, and we understand that the current IT understanding level or IT savviness level across business communities or traders, it varies. So hence people may face challenges initially to get acclimatized, but once they are acclimatized with this new process of online filing, I feel there should not be any challenge.
Tax experts believe if the software is not ready on time, businesses will be hit hard. And the only viable solution is to give offline credit for the first few months.
Either businesses would end up paying higher amount or lower amount. If they end up paying higher amount, again their cash flow would be impacted, and as you know, GST is going to put so much of pressure on business cash flows, and if they end up paying higher amount, so certainly that will have a negative impact. And for any reason, if they end up paying in short amount, then of course these tax authorities will be after them, and in terms of the justification audit, and there will be consequences of interest and penalties also.
Tax experts believe that the most practical approach once the GST is rolled out and implemented would be to allow traders to take the tax credit offline till the time the online mechanism system is fully ready, the infrastructure is fully ready, and the tax experts believe that this could easily take 2 to 3 months from now. This is Asha Shah for Mirror Now.